Hello friends, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about imidazole, properties of imidazole, some reactions of imidazole, synthesis of imidazole and application of imidazole. So first I will talk about the properties aromaticity. You can see here pyridine like nitrogen and pyrrole like nitrogen, 3 and 1 positions. sp2 have dies orbital and unhaved sp orbital. Now aromaticity, imidazole have 3 carbon and 2 nitrogen. All are sp2 have dies. sp2 hybridization is planar. It makes a planar molecule imidazole ring structure. Each ring atoms also contains unhaved sp orbital that is perpendicular to the plane of sigma bond. Here p orbitals are parallel to each other, so overlapping between p orbitals is possible. The total number of non-bonding electrons are 6, 3 of 3 carbon, 1 from 1 nitrogen and 2 of other nitrogen. The resonance of 6 electrons follow the Huckel's rule, so it is aromatic. Tautomerism, imidazole with a ring n hydrogen are subjected to tautomerism. You can see here tautomerism. 4-methyl imidazole equilibrium with 5-methyl imidazole. Hydrogen bonding. Radzikowski imidazole synthesis. Synthesis of imidazole from a dicarbonyl analdehyde and ammonia. The reaction completes in 2 stages. Dicarbonyl compound undergo reaction with ammonia, give diimine, and then react with carbonyl compound forming imidazole ring. Stage 1, a dicarbonyl and ammonia condense to give an diimine. In stage 2, diimine condense with aldehyde. Now from an alpha halocarbonyl components, alpha haloketones, imidine, it gives substituted imidazole. Alpha hydroxyketones, siloine, imidine, substituted imidazole. Now from dehydrogenation of imidazoline, condensations of 1,2-diimine with nitrile gives imidazoline. Imidazoline reactions with barium magnet yield 2 substituted imidazole. You can see imidazoline and imidazole. So reaction, electrophilic addition to nitrogen, protonation, basic properties, imidazole except proton act as base. Now N-alkylations, you can see N-methyl imidazolium salt. Imidazole as base remove protons, and then N1 N3 dimethyl imidazolium salt. Now N-alkylation, imidazoles react with alkyl halide and first give N-alkyl imidazolium salt. This salt can lose an N protons in an equilibrium with unreacted imidazole, generating N-alkyl imidazole. N-alkyl imidazole react with alkyl halide and gives N1 N3 dialkyl imidazolium salt. So electrophilic substitution to carbon, favorable. Carbon 2 substitution not favored as it form highly unstable N+. So nitrations 2 or 5 nitro imidazoles, sulfonations, halogenations, 4-bromo-1-H imidazole, bromination give 2,4,5 tri-bromo-imidazoles. 4 or 5 bromo-imidazole can be obtained by reductions of tri-bromo-imidazole with sodium sulfite. Imidazole catalyzed ester HL, imidazolyl groups of histidine residue present in hydrolytic enzyme function as an ester. Imidazole as base catalyst activate water for attack at carbonyl carbon. Now you see imidazole as nucleophilic catalysis. Imidazole directly attack a carbonyl carbon, forming this adduct, and then finally acid. So imidazole application, azole antifungal agents and antihistamine drugs used to treat and prevent peptide ulcer, gastroesophageal reflux disease and heartburn. Antiprozoal agents used in amoebic dysentery. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.